Right, in the kitchen again, we're going to be making protein jelly cake. Okay, I'm using 1 scoop of whey protein, putting it into a ceramic microwavable, fairly large bowl. I'm adding a little bit of water, not too much, and we're putting that in the microwave for 2 minutes. I have a packet of sugar-free jelly. Let's make up some jelly. I'm using just a little size container here. We don't need a huge amount of jelly. So adding in the boiling water, mix it. I'm now adding the cold. Brilliant. Now we'll leave that aside for a minute. Back to the microwave. Our protein is now solidified into a cake, and we're going to break it up. So I'm just being nice and rough. You can use your hands, I'm using a fork. So don't worry about getting messy with it. We're just trying to break that protein cake into little pieces. Okay, now we're pouring our jelly mixture into the bowl, and we're going to mix it up a little bit. Awesome, there we go. Now let's cover that with foil, or you could use cling film, and we're going to pop that in the fridge. Yep, making sure it fits. Perfect. Leave that in the fridge for a few hours to set. Now I've boiled the kettle. I'm pouring that into a bigger size bowl, and I'm just putting our jelly cake in there so that we can get it out the mold onto a plate. And there it is. So nutritional value is literally just the 1 scoop of whey protein I used, and thank you for watching.